Both of these beauties decided they wanted to come with me on my walk this morning. I'm home. It is a beautiful, kind of an overcast day, so there's coolness. We have blue denim stone, also known as Dumortierite, in case I'm saying it correctly. It's kind of like a blue, a denim lapis. And then this beautiful Black Moonstone. Isn't it gorgeous? I had them both in my hand, and it was neither one of them wanted to be let go, and I went, all right. So yes, this is unusual, taking two Palmstones with me on my walk. My blue denim, I'm going to put the other one down. My blue denim was in my left hand the whole way, and then the Black Moonstone, doesn't it just look gorgeous, was in my right hand the whole way. So what did my blue denim, my Dumortierite, want to share with me? This reminds me of the Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. So look at all the little golden dots, which remind me of the stars. And the message is to me, and maybe it's for you too, reach for the stars, beautiful soul. Reach for the stars. Are you doing something different? Are you leaving something behind? A pattern, maybe some physical weight, which I also interpret as WAIT, because we wait to move through energy, do our energy shifts, do some projects. There are things on the back burner. And then Black Moonstone. This Black Moonstone is the first moonstone I was aware of. Now I am aware of also Rainbow Moonstone, Peach Moonstone, and even Green Moonstone. Green Moonstone also has another name of Garnierite. So the energetic meaning today is because the moon goes in cycles, yes? And right now we're in Mercury retrograde, which is another cycle, techie stuff, and who knows what else. And it's about not starting a new project. Well, and this is coming through for you because I'm in the middle of quite a few projects that started before Mercury retrograde this time round. So starting something brand new during Mercury retrograde is discouraged. Now, what does that mean? Now, if you've had an idea for something for quite some time and you're now getting to it physically, emotionally, and energetically, that's not starting it new. Now, this is my interpretation, working with my own angel guides and spirit, because lots of times, you start something, oh, it's Mercury retrograde, I have to wait. If it's an absolute brand new idea, make a note of it somewhere so you don't forget it, and then let it stay there. If it is something like the crystal kits that I've been curating, the idea actually came a month ago in mid-May, and it's taken a while. So my creating and curating the newer ones is not a new project, it's a continuation. And it's all about cycles and being in divine time. So it is time for me to reach for the stars, and not just mentally, but also believe it in my heart. So you have mental belief, heart belief, emotional belief, and then you have that soul level knowing that you have somehow, and does not need to be dissected, somehow reached through what was then, because that was then and this is now, reaching through into the deeper, clearer energies. Come visit the Crystal Boutique. The link is down below. There are so many beautiful crystals, not just palmstones. We have clusters and obelisks and unpolished ones. So until next time, amazing, beautiful soul, be in your own cycle and reach for the stars.